Justice has finally been delivered in Lafia, Nasarawa state capital, as High Court has sentenced 32-year-old Timileyin Ajayi to death by hanging for gruesome murder of 24-year-old co-member late Salome Adaidu. Mary Ojiji completes this report.
It was a tense atmosphere at the Nasarawa State High Court in Lafia as Justice Salome Adaidu delivered the long-awaited judgment in the murder trial of Timileyin Ajayi. The court found Ajayi guilty of killing and dismembering Salome Adaidu, a 24-year-old National Youth Service Corps member who had visited him at his residence. During the trial, the prosecution, led by Barrister Raymond Umaru, presented compelling evidence including video recordings, 6 polythene bags containing body parts, a severed head, cutlasses, knives, and the deceased's handbag with personal items. All were admitted as exhibits from the first day of hearing.
We are able to provide circumstantial evidence which actually goes to show what transpired. So the court looked at that and also considered his confessional statement to the police, which is even the legal evidence that we are required to tender. So, and then those are the basis upon which the court made this pronouncement. First, there are sufficient circumstantial evidence that led to the conclusion that he actually killed Mrs. Salome, and also his confessional statement to the police, which was tendered without objection.
Justice Adaidu ruled that the prosecution successfully proved the case beyond reasonable doubt and sentenced Ajayi to death by hanging. He has 90 days to appeal the judgment. If no appeal is filed, the Ministry of Justice will forward the case to the state governor for assent. On his part, Defense Counsel Dr. Umaru Yunusa of the Legal Aid Council of Nigeria acknowledged the judgment, stating that the legal process was duly followed.
The law has taken its course because of the peculiar nature of this case and the accelerated hearing it was given by the judiciary. We have no option. We are lawyers. We only assisted the defendant in presenting his case. The duty to decide the case either way is the exclusive prerogative of the court, and that is what my lord has done, analyzing critically the evidence of both parties.
For the family of the late Salome Adaidu, today's judgment offers a measure of closure.
But this journey, I was trying to make sure that we get to this point of judgment so that the remaining youth, their life will be safe. Because if we allow this kind of person to continue in the society, it will continue to cause more harm to more living souls. And that is why I am happy that he was sentenced to death by hanging. And also I want to appreciate the state government, the High Court, Lafia, the judge, and all the media houses for all their assistance from the beginning of this case to this time. And also appreciate Nigerians for being there for me, for being against things that is not good.
With the final judgment now delivered, the case marks a significant moment in the state's criminal justice history, sending a strong message against violence and impunity. Mary Ojiji, reporting for ADBN News.